Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'll be doing a video to walk you through the basics of navigating your Fitbit Inspire 2 activity tracker. Now the Fitbit Inspire 2 has a lot of different settings and configuration. I'm not going to be getting into that. This video is basically just for the person who got their Fitbit Inspire 2 and they're trying to figure out how do I get into this thing, how do I move around, that kind of thing. First and foremost, this is a touchscreen device, but it also has buttons on the side. You'll notice that there's a little embedded button on this side as well as on this side. They're not protruding buttons, meaning they don't stick out, but they have a sensor so that it knows when it's being pressed. By default, there's a couple different ways you can turn on your tracker. One is if you turn the tracker towards you, the screen should turn on. After a couple of seconds, it'll cut off automatically to save battery life. The other way is if you just quickly press the two side buttons, that will turn on your screen. And then the other way besides that is you can just press and hold the touch screen and that'll turn on the screen. So the first and foremost is you're going to need to turn on the screen in order to get into your different settings. Once you've got your screen turned on, it's pretty easy. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this, but you're just going to swipe with your finger up or down to see the different options. On any one of these, you can click to get more information. At any point on any screen, if you just double press the sides, it will take you back. So for example, I'm going to go into timers. I can see my stopwatch, I can see my countdown timer. I can click on either of those to choose them, or I can press the two buttons on the side to get back to timers. I can press the two buttons on the side again to get back to my home screen. So pressing the two buttons on the side quickly will always go back. If you're on the main menu, it will always get you back to your home screen. If your screen is off, it will turn on your display. If you press and hold the two buttons on the side, it'll take you to your quick settings. And then again, in any screen, you can swipe up or down, and you can quickly press to go back. That's the basics of the navigation with this watch. On any screen, you basically just have to have the screen on. On any screen, you can double click to go back, double click to go back to your home screen. I hope that helps. There's really nothing else other than that. Once you're into your screen and you're swiping, you can just click on the screen to choose an item. You can double click the side buttons to go back. I hope that gives you some basics of navigating your Fitbit Inspire 2.